Clarizen is all about team collaboration and work management. In order to truly collaborate with your team, everyone needs to be on the same tool so that they can share their knowledge, update their work, and participate in discussions with ease. Adding new users to Clarizen is a breeze. All you need is an email address, or you can easily import an existing user list. Let's get started by inviting a new user directly from the navigation panel. Enter an email address, and an invitation is automatically sent to your colleague. Once the email is received, the newly invited person can simply click the Getting Started button and enter the registration information, including uploading their profile picture, as well as invite additional colleagues. The newly invited user, in this case Fred, lands directly on their homepage, in this case their newsfeed, where a new post has automatically been added to allow existing team members to welcome Fred. When inviting users to a group or directly as team members of a work item or case, upon completion of the registration process to enable getting started on their assigned work, the invitees land directly in the item detail page of the relevant item. The Invite New Users pop-up can be customized as needed by your organization, meaning that you can add any additional fields, for example, the first name and last name and user type fields. Inviting multiple users can also be done easily by clicking the Invite Multiple People link in the Invite New User pop-up. From this screen, you have the ability to import users from an Excel or CSV file or invite a list of users. Let's invite a couple of users by entering the user's first name, last name, and email address. Now select the user type. Next, select whether or not to send an email invitation to the user, and select Other Email Settings. The final checkbox here is the External User option. External users are restricted to seeing only their relevant items in the system and typically represent customers or contractors. To view and edit invited user property parameters, including managing user permissions, select the relevant user and click More Info to expand the profile card. License management can also be completed via this screen by admin users. You can assign licenses to your users, revoke licenses, and send out invitations. For organizations looking to restrict who can invite new users, simply set the relevant system setting. You can also update the default license type that newly invited users are granted. To learn more about Clarizen, be sure to check out the other tutorials available in our training center and our Wiki help site. We also highly recommend signing up for one of our daily live beginner or advanced webinars, where one of our Clarizen experts can answer any of your questions. If you haven't tried out Clarizen yet, be sure to do so with our free 30-day trial. Thanks for your interest in Clarizen. See you back soon.